Good morning, everyone. This is day 2 of EBC 10 here in beautiful Barcelona. I'm Alona Stein, co-CEO of Reblond PR agency. I'm here today with Amor Sexton, COO at Blockdaemon. Hi, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
How are you?
Good, thank you.
How has it been for you so far at EBC?
It's been fantastic. It's my first time here at this event. I've been to many other events, blockchain events around the world, but my first time at this one. I'm absolutely loving the atmosphere, the content. I think the mix of companies and the mix of attendees is really interesting as well. It's both institutional and a lot of regulated institutions who are doing things with digital assets, but also some other companies that are more in the Web3 space, in the blockchain space, and doing, crypto businesses, NFT businesses, protocols. I'm loving the mix. It's really showing the breadth of the ecosystem in around blockchain.
Very good. So Blockdaemon is a pretty interesting company. Do you want to share with the audience just a little bit about, who you are and what's interesting, for them to know about you?
Sure. Well, we're the world's largest Web3 infrastructure provider. We're really the gateway to Web3. And that's because we have a broad range of products and services that anybody who's building on blockchain or participating in a blockchain network can use one of our tools. So everything from dedicated nodes, APIs, staking validators, right through to MPC key management technology and an on-premises wallet as well. So a really broad range of products that are designed to meet institutional needs when they're interacting with blockchains.
Anything that your user base is extremely excited about, or like where you see the focus heading in the next year or so?
I think it depends. We have such a broad range of clients. Our regulated institutional clients, they're really interested in our wallet products, whether they have their own wallet, but they're using our MPC technology to enhance the security of their own key management process. Our on-premises wallet is something that's incredibly interesting for a lot of these clients as well, because as they move out of pilot and proof of concept and into production, the idea of being able to control all of their wallet infrastructure is really important for them, and being able to have the configurable options there to meet their needs. So for example, deploying it in a large company that has many different business units that with the need for Chinese walls and being able to deploy wallet infrastructure to meet those specific requirements. On the other side, there's just some really exciting stuff happening at the protocol level with new protocols coming out that we're supporting, whether that's allowing people to utilize our APIs or our nodes products to participate in those networks, or staking and participating in these networks at that level. We're really excited as well about the NORS standard. I'm not sure if you've heard about that. So it's an initiative that we're part of. We're getting involved in creating a node operator risk standard. It's a third-party certification that will allow institutions who are interacting with ETH validator operators to know that the operational processes in that company meet that enterprise-grade risk management standard that they would expect in their due diligence. So really looking at the inherent risks that are involved with managing these machines and participating in the network, and making sure that we are providing that enterprise-grade service to our clients.
And that's an initiative that you guys are leading?
We're part of it, yeah. It's being led. There's a number of us involved. Alluvial, Coinbase, amongst the crowd are really being spearheaded by Alluvial, but it's something that we're really proud to be involved with at the early days, because it's something, being institutional grade, not just in our products, but in our company, is really important to us. We're an unusual company in that we've got a really unique mix of investors on our cap table as well. Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Citibank. And then also our client base is so varied and includes a lot of the world's largest regulated institutions. So their expectation of us is that we operate with the highest standards of operational resilience, of our control framework that's in place, regulatory compliance. And this is, the NORS certification is really something that we believe the industry needs, and we're very, very proud to be a part of rolling that out.
So anything in particular that you find either on the floor is near or that excites you looking forward at the next year or so?
I was talking to the crowd from GLT last night. I think some of the work that they're doing with central banks is absolutely fascinating. I think that's great. There was another business that I spoke to, I think it was 2 nights ago, that are working with the Indian government on verified identity. which is fantastic. Identity use cases are something that I've always believed strongly in for blockchain. But I think the biggest challenge with them has always been that it has to be government-led, because the government is the one that really issues the identity and I guess bestows the right to be able to recognize verification as valid. So I think there's some really exciting stuff there, and I look forward to seeing a real live identity use case that's government-backed. We've been talking to a number of other companies who are doing stuff with security in the Web3 space too, which I think again is exciting as we look to mature the industry as a whole. Security is obviously a really important aspect of it. So yeah, a lot of really exciting companies are here.
Very nice. Anything you'd like to add before we wrap up?
Just that I hope to come back again. I mean, it's not just the conference, but Barcelona is absolutely beautiful. So we couldn't pick a better city to have a conference in.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you.